below, but I think they got it right with this one, man. I think they pay homage the correct way, man. Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we talking about another Nike basketball classic retro shoe. This time around, we're talking about the Air Penny 3 Do It for Dez edition, man. Nike's been killing it with the Nike retro basketball shoes. They've been killing it. We were able to get a lot of the shoes and put them on the channel. If you guys didn't get a chance to check those out, you know, they're all over the channel, man. Just, you know, go on the channel, you guys can see it. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also help us grow this channel to 1,150 subscribers, man. We're awfully close to that number, man. I've been getting nothing but positive results as of late, and I appreciate it. And it's all thanks to you guys. Man, follow us on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And if you guys want to get any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch you see me wearing in these videos, all you guys got to do is go to the website, and the website is p4yt2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Air Penny 3 Do It for Dez. Let's get straight into the shoe. We're gonna do the right shoe first. Alright, so here we go. This is like the liquids that's coming up on the side of the shoe, which is silver, kind of like blackish dark silver, like black metallic maybe. You have red toe box right here going up the side of the shoe. You have a black mesh tongue with the elastic right here to hold your foot in place when you're playing in this shoe. Remember, before I had mentioned in other videos that the elastic is there to hold your foot in place when you're playing basketball with the Nike basketball shoes from back in the days. You come over here to the right side, you have like a tiger stripe, because if you guys know, Penny Hardaway is the head coach of the Memphis basketball team, so you know they're Memphis Tigers. So this right here is to pay homage to them. You have a black sole right here, of course, going around the whole shoe. You have a red airbag. In the back panel right here, you have blue air. Of course, you gotta have the Penny logo hologram right here. You come over to the back, you have like suede on this side. You have like little metal silver stuff right here in the inside. You have zoom air here. Blue leather on the background, and more red right here on this foot. You have two pull tags with 3M on them. You have one on the tongue, and then you have one here on the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Do It for Dez right there, which is one of his closest friends that he used to coach AAU with. He grew up with him, and he had passed away, so this shoe is also to pay homage to him. Here's the left foot, which is primarily blue, but you have the same metallic black right here coming up the side of the shoes. The Memphis Tiger homage right here. You have a leather blue right here going pretty much around the whole shoe. Black mesh tongue. With the elastic, of course. You come over here. You have the Penny logo with the blue background right here. You have air and silver written with the red leather. Come over here to this side. You have more of the red leather with the zoom here with the Nike swoosh right here. More blue leather, little silver in the inside of the holes right here. On the toe box, you have holes here with silver in there also. And on this foot here, which is the left foot, it also says Do It for Dez, man. I think this shoe was well put together, as in paying homage to the stuff that's very important to Penny Hardaway, man. Penny Hardaway has one of the best Nike signature shoes of all time collection, in my opinion, man. He has the Penny 1, the Penny 2, the Penny 3, the foam posits. You could probably say that he started that also. You know, he has a great signature sneaker collection with Nike, man, and this is just a great add-on to it right here. I feel like he did the right thing by paying homage to his friend that passed away. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think the shoes they doing too much with the two different colors, man, let me know. Leave in the comments below. But I think they got it right with this one, man. I think they pay homage the correct way, man. You know, you got the pull tags here. with the metallic silver, you know, add-ons, and I think they got it right, man. This is a clean shoe, and I know it feels good playing basketball in these, man. Like I said, you guys disagree, leave in the comments below, but y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way tall with y'all, man. I'm gonna have to give these, man, 4 out of 5 pennies, man. Great shoe. I'm looking for the all black pair, man. If anybody know where you can find those at, let me know, because I need a pair and I want to bring it to the channel for the people that's not gonna be able to get the shoe, man. So let me know so I can go get them. Real clean shoe. I think Nike got it right, man. If y'all disagree, leave in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.